Welcome to the Riverwalk at 15 Kennedy Street. This building is the definition of walkability. Whether it's local landmarks, great restaurants, or boutique shopping, this place is next to everything. Unit 805 has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and 840 square feet of living space in a secure building with a gym, underground parking, and a rooftop patio. Come and see if this is the lifestyle for you. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more information on this house or to book an exclusive tour, please reach out and we'd be happy to help you.